Black holes are among the most massive objects in the universe. They are the only objects whose gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape them. But what's the biggest one in existence? This black hole, named Phoenix A, is so massive that it outweighs our Sun by a staggering 100 billion times. Not a single scientist can confirm how this supermassive black hole was formed because of its monstrous size, adding to the infinite mysteries of the universe. This black hole is located within a galaxy known as Phoenix A, nestled in the Phoenix Cluster, located approximately 8.5 billion light-years away from our Earth. And this is not just your typical galaxy, it's one of the most active galaxies ever found in our observable universe, forming stars at an astonishing rate of 740 per year, compared to the 1 star a year rate of our Milky Way. But what makes Phoenix A truly remarkable is a behemoth lurking at its center, a supermassive black hole, estimated to be 100 billion times the mass of our Sun. This makes it one of the most massive black holes known in the universe. The event horizon of this black hole spans a mind-boggling 590 billion kilometers, or about 100 times the distance between the Sun and Pluto. The true scale of such an entity is difficult to fathom, but perhaps the more intriguing question is, how did it come to exist? Not from a star, as you might expect. Typically, black holes are formed from the collapse of massive stars. A star begins its life in a state of equilibrium, where the inward force of gravity is balanced by the outward pressure from nuclear fusion in the star's core. This nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium, releasing energy in the process. And once a star has exhausted its supply, it starts to fuse helium and heavier elements. Because each successive stage of fusion occurs more quickly and requires higher temperatures and pressures, eventually the star begins fusing iron to its core. But iron fusion absorbs energy, not release it. This causes the star to run out of the power it needs to counteract the force of gravity. And so, the iron core collapses into itself, causing a supernova explosion, and then a black hole. So, why does the same process not hold true for the Phoenix A black hole? Phoenix A is so incomprehensibly enormous that it isn't possible to have originated from a star. It is more likely to have been created by the collision of multiple supermassive black holes that formed shortly after the Big Bang, which implies that this could be one of the oldest black holes in the universe. The theory suggests that Phoenix A's black hole is a primordial black hole, possibly among the very first to have formed after the Big Bang. The first stars to form after the Big Bang would have been far more massive than the stars that form today, resulting in larger stellar black holes. If all of those stars collapsed into massive black holes and merged together, the event might have been the catalyst for Phoenix A. But we can't be entirely sure of this theory. The question remains unanswered and continues to intrigue astrophysicists. But despite its apparent age, the Phoenix A black hole does not remain static. It continues to grow, absorbing vast amounts of material and increasing its mass by 60 suns every year. So, is Phoenix A the largest black hole in the universe? Given our current knowledge, the answer is yes. But who knows what secrets the universe still keeps for us to discover? The universe, in its infinite grandeur, is a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Despite the monumental strides we've made in space exploration and understanding, we've barely scratched the surface of the observable universe. As we peer into the abyss of space, we must remember that what we are able to observe and comprehend is merely a fraction of the entirety that is out there. Our instruments can only capture details with a 93 billion light-year bubble, so much more lies beyond that, unreachable and therefore unknowable. But for now, the Phoenix A black hole holds the title of the largest in the known universe, showcasing the mind-boggling scales and mysteries the universe presents to us.